Hey, Pepsi. Okay, another return visit to the doghouse. This time with Liam. Say hello, Liam.
Why would I say hello, Liam? Hello, me?
Say hello, everybody. And here's Vince. And Vince did something to his foot or his leg again, and he's always doing something, aren't you? Pulling a muscle, or that's what happens when we go out on the beach. Now he's having to put up with Liam annoying him. There we go.
See?
He's a good dog.
Alright.
Yeah, you relax. There's a few other dogs here. Can't see them though. So it's Tuesday, is it? What date? 10th of August, something like that.
11th.
11th of August. Nice to get out for lunch. I'm still on my holidays.
Oh my.